no peace. Got to get the no peace. We're gonna be going to my nail appointment. Y'all know I'm gonna show y'all what's tea. This is the before. And we're gonna also be doing my toes today too. She don't know that yet, but you know. Ooh, let me get that. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when she gets started and everything. I need to figure out what I want to eat because your girl is hungry. Let's get into the video.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you in the...
Yes, I came outside with 1 foot done because I had to go get some food. It's not a vlog, guys, if JoJo don't eat, okay? Know that. Fat girl shit, always. I got baked potato, 2 burgers, nuggets, fries, okay? Let's get back in here before this girl kill me.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party, she wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I get